All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome back for another deep dive. And today we're going to be tackling AutoGen Studio.
Oh, wow.
Have you heard of this?
Yeah, I've heard about it. I haven't had a chance to dive into it yet.
Yeah, well, it's super interesting. So, imagine
Okay.
like you could create your own team of AI agents, like, like little digital helpers to sort of do all sorts of stuff. And that's kind of like what this AutoGen Studio is all about. So, we have two main sources that we're looking at today.
Okay.
There's a demo video um, by Victor Dibia on his YouTube channel, Designing with AI,
Okay.
and then also the official website description of the tool itself.
So our kind of mission in this deep dive is going to be to really understand like how this AutoGen Studio works, what makes it special. I've been kind of geeking out over the demo video. I found some really cool stuff in there that I want to share.
Cool.
But I think it'd be great to have you here to sort of like connect the dots and give us that bigger picture perspective.
Yeah, I'm excited to learn more about it.
Yeah. It's one of those things that's been on my list to check out for a while now.
Yeah, definitely.
So I'm glad we're diving into it today.
Yeah, awesome. So let's jump right into it. So one of the things that that was interesting from the demo is that they start out talking about, setting things up like creating a clean environment,
Right.
using tools like Conda or virtual environments.
Okay.
So that's kind of like step one. And I kind of thought of it like, when you're working on a project, sometimes it's good to have like a dedicated space, like, clear off your desk,
Yeah, clean slate.
Yeah, clean slate. Exactly. So they kind of emphasize that.
Makes sense.
And then they said, it's a pretty straightforward process, just a simple pip install command. And then setting your OpenAI API key, which is basically like your access pass, to use their powerful language models.
That sounds pretty straightforward. I mean, a lot of these AI tools these days are really trying to, simplify that setup process because I think they realize that. Not everyone who's interested in AI is necessarily like a hardcore programmer.
Right.
So the more they can streamline that initial setup, the more accessible these tools become.
Yeah, and it's nice to know, like,
Yeah.
you're not going to have some weird conflict with some other thing that you've got installed on your system. Right?
Exactly. Yeah, you want to make sure that, everything is running smoothly and there are no unexpected issues. And a clean environment is definitely the best way to ensure that.
All right, so once you're set up,
Mm-hmm.
the real fun begins with this thing called the team builder. Now,
Yeah.
I love a good drag and drop interface.
Oh, yeah. Those are always fun.
And this one is like, it's beautiful.
Okay.
It lets you visually create teams of AI agents. It's like connecting them like puzzle pieces.
Oh, wow.
You can configure different types of agents, give them tools to use, choose powerful AI models for them to tap into, and even set conditions for when they should stop working on a task. It's really, really cool.
Yeah. So it's like you're choreographing this interaction
Yes, exactly.
between these different AI agents.